Hi honeys, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing amazing. I have missed you guys so much. I know I've been dormant for a while, and I can promise you that it won't change in the next couple of weeks because I've had a very busy week, which I will explain in another video. Look out for that. And today I decided to do a video on how to do a head wrap using a scarf. Very easy and very straightforward. I've seen people commenting when I do a video when I have like the head wrap and all that, and thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I would want you guys to look the same way that I do and even better. And that is why I decided to do this video. I'm just going to try and do it in a very simple, straightforward way, in a way that you won't have to struggle after watching this video, chop you're onto it. So all you did is this scarf. This is actually a scarf, a neck scarf, but you have to use things in different ways. Be creative. And I just usually, this is already folded, and what I do is after you folded it into two, you can actually reduce it kidogo depending on the size of your scarf. So for me, I just reduce it a bit, then yeah, and then this part that doesn't have it's not showing the two pieces what you use. So I'll put that on. This is the one I'm doing right now, is my favorite kind of style, and that is what I'll show you guys. So let's do this. There you go. So there, you can actually reduce the size depending, once you put it on your head, now you can decide if it's too short or so for me, I just usually reduce it from there, then just bring it together and make sure it's not too tight, otherwise you might have the headaches and all that. Do a knot, not really a knot, but just crisscrossing the two ties together. There, make sure it's not too tight, then fix the top so that doesn't look too shabby and all that. Fix your ears if you want it to be behind your ears or covering your ears kidogo. For me, I love when it's covering my ears kidogo, because when you put it behind your ears look ni kama what is it called, like a rabbit, ni kama inazifold hivi, hizi mask ziko zinafanya masikio za watu zikae. Then just twist the two strands together. I know you don't have to put the two strands together, but it honestly looks neater once you do it. So there. And then it also shouldn't be too tight as well, just simply and slowly. There. Also notice the side to which you're twisting, if it's your right or your left. I'll let you know why soon. There, we're almost done. Sometimes when you're tying it, when you're doing the wrap, the bun, this one comes off, and you don't have to worry about that as much, because you can actually just do it as you're doing the bun. And there you go. For this part, that is because you notice one strand is longer than the other, so you open up the longer one, incorporate it to the small one, and just continue twisting. There. And then the reason why I told you to notice the side to which you made your twist, is so that you can be able to know which side you'll tie your bun. So if you did it on your left, then make sure you go on your left. This is my left from where I'm seated. and if you did it on your right, make sure you do it on your right. So for me, I twisted on my right, and that is how I'm going to start doing my band. So there, still very slowly, don't make it too tight as well. There, and then for the remaining part, you tuck it in. For the end, you just tuck it in. Make sure you just clean it up kidogo so that it looks neat kiasi. There you go. I hope you can see. It looks amazing. I really love this look, to be honest. And then to make it look better, just accessorize, just do something. I mean, it looks nice like that, as it like when it's plain. I love it. But you know, if you know me, you know me. Like, I have to accessorize. This is my very beautiful bag of earrings. I have very pretty earrings, and that is why I sell them. I'm going to put the link to my business or my shop in the description box. I don't know if I should do these ones. I really love these earrings. They're really beautiful. Or I should do these ones. These hoops. These are really beautiful too. I love them. Or I also have this. These are beautiful too, don't you think? But what I don't like about these earrings, and I don't know why we're making this video about earrings, is the sound they produce. I don't know if you can hear it. They have a certain sound, like zikikugonga zina produce sound, which I don't like. Actually, I don't think I've worn them. I don't really like them. And then we can also do, okay, I have so many earrings. I don't know what to do. Then there's these ones as well. I also love them. I don't think I've worn them actually. Have I ever worn them on this video? On this videos? No, I don't think so. Because I think the earrings I wear mostly are these ones. I'm sure I'm mechoka nazo, and these ones as well. I love these earrings, by the way. I love them. I should get a similar pair, but in a different design. Let's see how these ones look. I don't know, I'm the kind of person who wears and then checks how it looks, and then if it doesn't look good, I don't like what I see, I'll just try the next ones. So let's see. There. Oh, I love them. They're not too long, not too short either, but they make a statement with like this woven part. I think I have orange ones, but those ones are for sale. If you want them, let me know. I'll sell them to you, and they're not even expensive, so let me know if you want them. There. I love this look. This is amazing. And if you know me, you know that I don't do makeup, so this is a natural look. I just usually I usually just do my eyebrows, like, I mean, I'm still learning to do my eyebrows with the whole pencil thing, but yo, that is hard. I won't even lie to you. So yeah, and this is a look. How do you guys like it? What do you think? I hope you liked it, because I'm really not good at doing this how-to's video, but you know what, for you guys, I'll try. I'll do anything for you guys. I'll learn for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, took out a thing or two, and I hope you learned how to do your head wrap using your scarf. You don't need to go and look for all those thingies. Just your scarf is enough. So I hope you love this look, and if you try it, please make sure to send it to me in my DMs on my Instagram. It's in the description box. I will definitely feature you, and also attach a screenshot of this video as well, and then I'll repost on my Insta stories. And I will see you guys in the next video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Do not forget. I love you.